game begins when the player presses the green flag to start the game. So initially, we'll start off with the background being in space, and the cat is not wearing a costume, it's just his regular self. And then to begin the game, the variables A and B will be hidden, just so that kids don't get confused about why there's numbers floating up in the corner. It will then introduce the game to the children, so it will welcome them and let them know how the game is played. So they're going to use multiplication to drive the spaceship. It then switches the background to the inside of the spaceship and indicates that it needs to put on its helmet. So that's just a bit of fun to kind of get the kids involved. It'll then ask 5 multiplication questions, which is seen here with the repeat, with the variables A and B being random numbers between 1 and 12. So it will ask A times B and then wait for the student to input the answer down here. So over here, it's asking 6 times 1, which is 6. So the student will input that, and shown here, the scratch will then jump up, say well done, and then jump back down. If the answer they give is incorrect, it will say not quite, let's try that again, and it will show variable A and variable B here in the top left corner. So let's just say they're at 98, which is incorrect. It'll say not quite, let's try that again, and they're allowed an infinite number of tries. So let's say they get it wrong again, it'll still just keep asking them for the correct answer. So 90 down there. And students will be able to repeat the questions 5 times before the end of the game. So 4, 80, perfect. At the end, it'll congratulate them for landing them safely and return the backdrop to space and the costume to the original cat without the astronaut's helmet.